Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the name of the current street you are currently driving on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your device and then go to your home page, and after that you should tap on this button that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. That's the menu icon, and then click on settings, tap on route planning and navigation. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find this current street feature, meaning that if you enable it by tapping on the button on the right side, it will show the name of the street you're currently driving on at the bottom of the map. If you would like to turn it off, just click on the same button again and then it will be turned off automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.